Jollof rice supremacy, bro.
I think there's traffic. Oh, you guys, there's traffic. We're having fun. Reporting live from Iceland Beach Resort. Hey, go how much? How do you feel?
Hey, stop!
I come blood running for Neverland. Time can never stop me. No, 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 no. I know you tried to. I come riding in on a big white bus. Flip a switch on a prick and I come alive.
Hey, stop!
It's 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. I just finished making jollof rice. This house we eat jollof rice way too much because my dad does not like fried rice, and I don't want to cook two different food. Because if I make fried rice now, I'll have to do something separate for my dad. I don't have that time. But I honestly didn't know what to do for jollof rice today. But the jollof rice is banging. But let's make salad. I'm the only one who likes salad in this house, so I have it all to myself. I don't know. I don't wanna be friends.
It's the most beautiful time of the year. Lights fill the
Two portion of rice. Two portion of rice. Now it's time for my favorite part of the food, the salad. I made extra cream. I like my salad extra creamy, so for me, the amount of salad I'm using. Yeah. Now that's a complete plate of food, bro. This is a complete plate of food. Where's my fork? Damn it, guys. Damn it. Damn it. It's so creamy, y'all. Oh my god. This is what we call jollof rice supremacy. Can you hear me now? Jollof rice supremacy, bro. Let's keep these remaining ones in the fridge so it does not get spoiled. So we're coming back. Orishi. This is a very spontaneous jollof rice. Can you say spontaneous?
We're going to the beach. This was not an impromptu decision, but I was quite skeptical about it. But we're going to the beach. We're going to a close by beach. I'm not going to landmark. I don't want that crowd. But yeah, let's take my bait. I was not sure about it. I overate, and now I cannot put on a bikini. I wanted to put on a bikini and a bomb shot and a shrug. But right now I'm going to put on my crochet outfit. I'm sweating as fuck because I've been cooking. So
flip a switch on a prick and I come alive in the night time. In the club sipping Hennessy. And tell him I'm dead if he calling me.
this is what I'm putting on. So um yeah, I need to oil up and order my Uber. Like, is my outfit cute? How do I look? I'm going to take my tripod, but I don't want to carry a big bag, so I'm going to take two crochet bag, one that I made for myself and one that I bought. Yeah, these two. The both of them, a white bag and a. This one has my name on it. I've done my hair. I don't know if I should do simple makeup, but I don't want to do my lashes because my lash glue is finished, so I don't want to do my lashes. And I don't know if I should do my makeup or should I just do simple makeup. Like, I don't want to put any concealer on my face, Jerry, because of heat. The sun is too much. So we're just going to do lip combo and eyebrows. So let's doll up.
Serotonin, that's a cool
I'm
type
not even
mix.
implemented.
Oxycontin mixing with the loose. Used to let her feeling like a zoo type mix. Shot, stripping, taking shrooms.
So I think I should wear these glasses. We're taking this one along. These are the slides we're going with. These slides from Primark. Actually, they are thrifted, but they are Primark. I just saw it this afternoon that they are from Primark, where it was thrifted from Aja Market. We have to go with this tripod because you know the girl has to create content. Good to go. Cover your eyes. We're good to go. Check. What up, my people? I'm trying to book an Uber. I think there's traffic. Oh, you guys, there's traffic. Oh, we're going to use public bus. For the past 10 minutes, nobody has been taking my offer. Driver is almost here. Yeah. Why you? Cause this boy, why you at 3 in the front? Okay? Bus stop. Wow.
All the way from Lekki Phase 1 and it's still going through Waterpay.
Is it from that landmark beach side?
Exactly.
Wow.
All the way down.
This is Okwaja.
We are in Okwaja community now.
I didn't think you got to this place. So
Is it?
I know they were doing something, but I didn't think you got to this place.
They've got this. They are very fast. So this,
Wow. You guys, there's literally no network here. Wait now, collect handband.
I want to go. Time no day. I'm Sunday now. My work.
Put on your hand.
Get serious.
Come on now. You guys, people are so much here. I didn't expect this. Look at the view. How much for ice cream? Super Ego, how much? Thank you. What is it? You guys, this beach is calm on a normal day. But I should have not come here today doing Insta. I underestimated them. But here we are, we're having fun. Reporting live from Iceland Beach Resort. Tell me what do you want? Tell me what you want, I'll buy for you.
Like you and me to come.
Give me this one.
I don't see your mic. You have
Ah, okay, I'll see my mic. I'm a content creator,
yes,
but please.
now we just walk to promote your own brand.
No. Thank you. I'm not interested. Thank you. Since you want to put me in trouble.
We just had to work it out. And baby, I need a space. Ain't nobody around here. Oh, you're so far away. You call me harder.
Thank you.
You have me so
I'll go inside.
never grew up. I tried to find out when I'm looking for you. And I'm stuck in
Let me inside.
nothing to pull me out.
Let me inside.
Like you. Flip a switch on a brick and I come alive in the nighttime. And the crowds have been this way. Tell 'em I'm dead if you wanna be. Flip a switch on a brick and I very sound bitch. Do you cross that line? Black heels, black shades.
We're living. We're living.
New Addy in the stack, new dicks on tap. Got best case, worst case plan of attack. Got bitches at the sea and the sheet getting slapped. Don't threaten me or talk to me ever like that. I got brothers in the ends that'll pull up.